Welcome to the MCQ session of Pulsar's Career Point. This is a video on the target for HSC, NEET, JEE and other competitive examinations in the name of D20 MCQ series. This is on the subject haloalkane and haloarine. This is the part 4 video of this unit according to the new revised syllabus both for CHSE and CBSE. This is the fourth video of this series also. Now let us come for the first question of this part, that is the 61 question. कारण ଆମେ ତିନିଟି ପାର୍ଟରେ 20 into 3 60ଟା question already discussion କରି ସାରିଥିଲୁ. ଏବେ question number 61. In nitration of chlorobenzene, the electrophile is this. Option A NO2 minus, option B NO2 plus, option C NO3 minus, option D NO3 plus. Students, try to give the correct answer. The nitration of chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene reacts with nitric acid in the presence of constant sulfuric acid, then a mixture of orthochloronitrobenzene and parachloronitrobenzene is formed. Out of these two, parachloronitrobenzene is the major product. Which is the electrophile here? Nitric acid decomposes to give you NO2 plus and OH minus. The electrophile will attack at ortho and para positions. As a result, we will get two mixed product. Out of the para product is the major product. So the actual answer is NO2 plus, that is option B is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option B. Now let us come for the next question, question number 62. In elimination reactions for the formation of alkene, the reactivity of halogens in the alkyl halides follow the order this. Option A iodide greater than bromide greater than chloride, B chloride greater than bromide greater than iodide, option C bromide greater than chloride greater than iodide, option D iodide greater than chloride greater than bromide. The students try to give the correct answer. In elimination reaction for the formation of alkene, the reactivity of halogens, whenever alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic avoid solution, then corresponding alkene is formed. In this reaction, which halide will show the reaction faster? As the size increases, then the reactivity also increases. So iodide is maximum in size. So option E is the correct answer. Iodide greater than bromide greater than chloride. Now let us come for the next question, question number 63. In SN1 reaction, the reactivity of ethyl chloride is more, less or equal to that of benzyl chloride, less than that of benzyl chloride, more, less or equal to that of chlorobenzene, D less than that of chlorobenzene. Which will the correct answer? In SN1 reaction, the reactivity of ethyl chloride. SN1 reaction re ethyl chloride reactivity ta benzyl chloride सहित more less equal हो पारे बा less than benzyl chloride हो पारे बा more less or equal to that of chlorobenzene हो पारे बा less than that of chlorobenzene हो पारे. Which will be the correct answer in case of the reactivity of SN1 reaction in case of ethyl chloride? It is less than that of benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride पाखरु यार reactivity टा कम हो. Let us come for the next question, question number 64. Which alkane cannot be obtained by Urge reaction? Option A C4H10 butane, option B C3H8 propane, option C C2H6 ethane, option D CH4 methane. The student try to give the correct answer. Urge reaction, the reaction between alkyl halides and sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to give corresponding higher alkane. In this case, which alkane cannot be obtained? At least two carbon atom must be there because two alkyl groups join here. So methane cannot be obtained by this reaction. That is option D is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer as option D. Now, let us come to the next question, question number 65. Which alkane is formed by the Wurtz reaction between methyl and ethyl iodide? मिथाइल आयोडाइड आउ इथाइल आयोडाइड भितर Wurtz रिएक्शन जो क्यों अल्केन फॉर्मेशन होता है? ऑप्शन ए C3H8 प्रोपेन, ऑप्शन बी C4H10 ब्यूटेन, ऑप्शन सी C2H6 इथेन, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दिस. The student try to give the correct answer. मिथाइल आयोडाइड आउ इथाइल आयोडाइड जो सोडियम मेटाल सहित रिएक्शन करेंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ड्राई ईथर कौन अल्केन टी फॉर्मेशन हम? जदि दुई जन भर जड़े जड़े मिसबे ताले CH3 बॉन्ड C2H5 अर्थात प्रोपेन मिल. जदि केवल मिथाइल मिसब ताले इथेन मिल. जदि इथाइल आयोडाइड इथाइल भीतर रिएक्शन हम ताले ब्यूटेन मिल. सो all of this is the correct answer. So option D is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option D. Now let us come for the next question, question number 66. Which alkyl halide is preferentially hydrolyzed by SN1 mechanism? Option A ethyl chloride, option B isopropyl chloride, option C tertiary butyl chloride, option D methyl chloride. Which alkyl halide is preferentially hydrolyzed by SN1 mechanism? SN1 mechanism रे रेट टा सबुटु क्योंठारे अधिक रहिबो? SN1 mechanism रे कौन हुए? The rate of the reaction depends only on the concentration of the substrate. It independent on the concentration of nucleophile. So rate of SN1 reaction is maximum in case of tertiary alkyl halide, and gradually the reactivity according to SN1 reaction decreases from tertiary to primary. So which is preferentially hydrolyzed by SN1 reaction? Tertiary alkyl halide, that is option C is the correct answer, tertiary butyl chloride. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option C. Now let us come for the next question, question number 67. If two halogenate atoms of alkyl halide dihalides are attached to the adjacent carbon atom, then the compound is called as. जदि गोटे डाइहालाइड रो दुईटा हालोजेन एटम दुईटा एडजासेंट कार्बन एटम को लागंती ताले आमे ताको कोन कहबा? ऑप्शन ए विसिनल डाइहालाइड, ऑप्शन बी जेमिनल डाइहालाइड, ऑप्शन सी both A and B, option D none of these. The students try to give the correct answer. गोटे डाइहालाइड रे जदि दुईटी हालोजेन एटम दुईटा नेबरिंग एडजेसेंट कार्बन एटम को लागंती आमे ताको कोन कहबा? विसिनल डाइहालाइड कहबा ना जेमिनल डाइहालाइड कहबा ना बोथ विसिनल और जेमिनल डाइहालाइड कहा जाय परिबो बा एमानक मध्यरु कोन सिटी नुहे? Try to give the correct answer. The two halogen atoms are attached to different carbon atom, means it is a vicinal dihalide. If the two halogen atoms are attached to same carbon atom, it is a geminal dihalide. So the vicinal or geminal is used when vicinal is used for two adjacent carbon atoms, and geminal is used in case of halogen atoms are attached to same carbon. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option A. Now let us come for the question number 68. If two halogen atoms of alkyl dihalides are attached to the same carbon, then the compound is known as this. Option A vicinal dihalide, option B geminal dihalide, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The student try to give the correct answer. In the question number 67, we have discussed if two halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon atom, then the dihalide is known as vicinal dihalide. But here the two halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, means the answer should be geminal dihalide. The option B is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option B. Now let us come for the next question, question number 69. Chlorobenzene can be obtained from benzene diazonium chloride by this. Option A Sandmeyer reaction, option B Gattermann reaction, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The students try to give the correct answer. Chlorobenzene can be obtained from benzene diazenyl chloride by this. Send me your section. Send me a section में कौन भी benzene diazenyl chloride को हमें कौन करूँ ना cuprous halide सहित treat करूँ in the presence of corresponding halogen acid. तेला हमको से यदि CuCl नवा chlorobenzene दिए यदि CuBr नवा ताला bromobenzene दिए. In place of cuprous halide, if copper powder is taken, then the reaction is known as Gaterman reaction. But the products are same. If chlorobenzene is treated with copper in the presence of HCl, then it will give us chlorobenzene. If the reaction is carried out with copper metal instead of cuprous halide, then it is Gaterman reaction. But the both Sandmeyer reaction and Gaterman reaction gives chlorobenzene and bromobenzene from benzene diazenyl chloride. So option C is the correct answer. That is both A and B. Chlorobenzene can be obtained from benzene diazenyl chloride by both Sandmeyer reaction and Gaterman reaction. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is 69. Sorry, it's C. That is both A and B. Now let us come for the next question. That is question number 70. The commercial preparation of chlorobenzene by heating mixture of benzene, AR and HCl is known as this. Option A, Sandmeyer reaction. Option B, Gaterman reaction. Option C, Rastrick process. Option D, Fittig reaction. Out of the following, which is the commercial preparation of chlorobenzene from benzene, AR and HCl? Sandmeyer reaction ले हमको benzene diazenyl chloride chlorobenzene বা bromobenzene मिले. Gaterman reaction exactly same. In place of cuprous halide, copper powder is taken. In case of Fittig reaction, diaryl means aryl halide sodium metal से reaction करी हमको diaryl compound दे दिए से होची Fittig reaction और Rastrick process is the commercial preparation for the preparation of chlorobenzene from benzene, AR and HCl by heating their mixtures. So option C is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option C. Now let us come to the next question, question number 71. The preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene by reaction with aqueous KOH is known as this. Option A, Dawes process. Option B, Rastrick process. Option C, Boltzmann reaction. Option D, Schwartz reaction. The students try to give the correct answer. The preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene by reaction with aqueous KOH is known as this. It is nothing but the Dawes process. Option A is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option E. Now let us come for the next question. That is question number 72. In case of question number 72, preparation of diphenyl from iodobenzene by reaction with sodium metal is called this. Option A, Wurtz reaction. Option B, Fittig reaction. Option C, Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Option D, none of these. The students try to give the correct answer. Diphenyl formation of from iodobenzene by reaction with sodium metal. Alkyl halide sodium metal से reaction कले higher alkane दिए ताको Wurtz reaction को आ जाए. Aryl halide भीतर reaction हुई sodium metal सहित जो डाइफिनाइल कंपाउंड दिए ताको Fittig reaction को आ जाए. गोटे अल्काइल हालाइड गोटे अराइल हालाइड ताको Wurtz Fittig reaction बोली को आ जाए. एटी क्वेश्चन थिला प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डाइफिनाइल फ्रॉम आइडोबेंजीन बाय द रिएक्शन विथ सोडियम मेटल इज कॉल्ड Fittig reaction. That is option B is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option B. Now let us come for the next question, question number 73. On heating chlorobenzene with magnesium metal in dry ether, its days. ଯେତେବେଳେ chlorobenzene को magnesium metal तो heat करिबा in the presence of dry ether, then which is formed? Option E, diphenyl. Option B, phenyl magnesium chloride. Option C, benzyl magnesium chloride. Option D, none of these. The students try to give the correct answer. ଯେତେବେଳେ magnesium metal ସହିତ chlorobenzene को heat करा जाए in the presence of dry ether, ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ formation हुए? We know that whenever alkyl halide reacts with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether, then Grignard's agent, that is alkyl magnesium halide, is formed. Here Chlorobenzene is taken and it is treated with magnesium metal in dry ether. Then phenyl magnesium chloride, that is option B, is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option B. Now let us come for the next question. Question number 74. When chlorobenzene heated with cuprous cyanide, then it gives this. Option A, phenyl cyanide. Option B, phenyl isocyanide. Option C, benzene nitrile. Option D, none of the students try to give the correct answer. When chlorobenzene is heated with cuprous cyanide, the chlorobenzene को cuprous cyanide सहित heat करिबा सेतबे कोन करिबो कपर क्लोरीन को नहीं चली गला परे the chlorobenzene atom of chlorobenzene is substituted by CN group, then we will get phenyl cyanide. So option A is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option A. Now let us come to the next question. Question number 75. Preparation of chlorobenzene from benzene diazenyl chloride is called this. Option A, Sandmeyer reaction. Option B, Gattermann reaction. Option C, Boltzmann reaction. Option D, Finkelstein's reaction. Benzene diazenyl chloride to chlorobenzene तैयारी ହେବ এই রিঅ্যাকশন को আমি কোন কইবা स्टूडेंट ट्राई टू गिव द करेक्ट आंसर इन केस ऑफ सैंडमेयर रिएक्शन बेंजीन डायजेनियम क्लोराइड रो आमको क्लोरोबेंजीन बा ब्रोमोबेंजीन मिलता है जतबेले बीडीसी को आमे क्यूप्रस क्लोराइड सहित ट्रीट करबा इन HCl जते क्लोरोबेंजीन दबो जते क्यूप्रस ब्रोमाइड सहित ट्रीट करबा इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ HBr जते ब्रोमोबेंजीन दबो बट क्लोरोबेंजीन कैन नॉट बी ऑब्टेन इन केस ऑफ गेटरमैन रिएक्शन व्हेनेवर क्लोरोबेंजीन benzene diazenyl chloride is treated with copper powder in HCl, then chlorobenzene is formed. Whenever benzene diazenyl chloride is treated with copper powder in HBr, then bromobenzene is formed. So Gattermann reaction can give only chlorobenzene and bromobenzene, but not fluorobenzene. So the Boltzmann reaction is the correct answer. The option C is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option C. Now let us come to the next question. Question number 76. Question number 76. Which reagent is used to get iodobenzene from benzene by iodination? HiO3, HNO3, both A and B, none of these. The student try to give the correct answer. In case of iodination of benzene, the reaction is very slow and is a reversible process. In order to get iodobenzene, this reaction must be carried out in the presence of an oxidizing agent, which can oxidizes Hi to I2 and favors the iodination and disfavors the backward reaction. The oxidizing agents are HiO3 or HNO3. So option C is the correct answer. Both HiO3 and HNO3 can be used as reagent to get iodobenzene from benzene by iodination method because it oxidizes the Hi to I2. Now, let us come to the next question. Question number 77. Question number 77. In case of 77, the question is preparation of alkyl derivatives of benzene by treating with sodium metal with alkyl and aryl halide is known as this. आमे alkyl derivative of benzene पाइबा by treating with sodium metal तो रिएक्शन करिबा काहा को ना alkyl और aryl halide आमे आगरु एक कथा डिस्कशन करिथिलु व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस गिवन Wurtz reaction option B Fittig reaction option C Wurtz Fittig reaction option D none of these. Students try to give the correct answer. जतबेले आमे दुईटा alkyl halide को नबा हायर alkane दबो that is Wurtz reaction ए दुईटा aryl halide को नबा से diphenyl दबो that is Fittig reaction गोटे alkyl आ गोटे aryl halide नेले से alkyl derivative of benzene दबो that is called Wurtz Fittig reaction. So option C is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option C. Now let us come for the next question, that is question number 78. The major product formed by the chlorination of chlorobenzene is this. Option A orthodichlorobenzene, option B metadichlorobenzene, option C paradichlorobenzene, Option D, all of these. The student try to give the correct answer. By the chlorination of chlorobenzene. जब chlorobenzene को chlorination करिबा सेतेबेले केउ प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन हो क्लोरिनेशन कही नाइट्रेशन कही सल्फोनेशन कही प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अल्काइलेशन बाय एसाइलेशन हो always the chlorine atom of chlorobenzene facilitates the attacking addition of the electrophile at ortho and para positions only. So ortho product and para product both are formed. Meta product cannot give us. But out of these ortho and para product, the para product is the major product. So option C, para dichlorobenzene is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option C. Now let us come for the next question. That is question number 79. Which catalyst is used for the chlorination of chlorobenzene? Chlorination of chlorobenzene ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ catalyst को use करें? Option A, concentrated HNO3. Option B, concentrated sulfur. Option C, both A and B. Option D, anhydrous LCl3. Which will be the correct answer? ଯେତେବେଳେ କ୍ଲୋରୋବେଞ୍ଜିନ୍ को क्लोरिनेशन करा हुए ସେତେବେଳେ कैटालिस्ट हिसाब रे काहा को यूज करा जाए कैटालिस्ट हिसाब रे आमे anhydrous LCl3 और FeCl3 को यूज करिथाउ so the correct answer is option D, that is anhydrous LCl3. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option D. Now let us come for the next question, that is the question number 80, which is the last question of this part. Preparation of diphenyl by heating mixture of copper powder and iodobenzene is known as fatigue reaction, Ullmann biaryl synthesis, Dow's process, or none of these. Students try to give the correct answer. Preparation of diphenyl by heating mixture of copper powder and iodobenzene is known as Ullmann biaryl synthesis. So option B is the correct answer. Thanks for the students who have given their answer is option B. Thanks for attending D20 MCQ series of Purple Search Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time.